In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop staking anytime on Coinbase. If you've been earning staking rewards but want to free up your funds, whether to trade, rebalance, or simply reduce risk, I'll walk you through the process clearly and carefully so you know exactly what to expect. First, sign into the Coinbase mobile app or the Coinbase website using your usual login. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version so all the options appear as shown. From there, head to your assets or homepage and locate the cryptocurrency you currently have staked. Tap or click that asset to open its details. Inside the asset view, look for the option labeled unstake and select it. This is the command that begins your unstaking request. Next, enter the amount you want to unstake. You can choose to unstake everything or just a portion, which is helpful if you want to keep part of your position staked while freeing up some liquidity. Around this point, if you need quick access to Coinbase, I've placed the official app download links and the website link right at the top of the description for your convenience. Use those to get to the correct place quickly and safely. Now, choose your method. Standard unstaking has no fee, but it's subject to the underlying network's waiting times. Depending on the blockchain, that could take anywhere from days to weeks before your funds become available to use. If you need your assets immediately, you can choose instant unstaking, which provides immediate liquidity for a 1% fee. Take a moment to weigh speed versus cost, especially if you're moving a large amount. Once you've made your choice and reviewed the details, select Confirm or Unstake to submit your request. After submission, keep in mind a few key points. If you selected Standard, your funds will be locked until the network's waiting period completes, so you won't be able to trade or sell that portion right away. Rewards for the amount you're unstaking typically stop accruing once your request is processed, so don't expect additional yield on that portion during the waiting period. Standard unstaking is free, while instant costs 1%. And remember, partial unstaking is fully supported, giving you flexibility. You can check the status back in the assets page. Once the process completes, your tokens will be available in your balance and ready to use. That's it. Simple and straightforward. If this helped, please like and share so others can find it too. Thanks for watching.